At Denalese, we constantly innovate, improving even our most popular products. You already love the C5 and C8 for their Ramvac reliability and efficiency. Now you'll love what's missing. We've upgraded the design to make a more efficient compressor. The C8 is smaller and lighter with the same ability to power your practice. The compact C8 design saves at least 4 inches in each direction, especially useful in utility rooms where space is at a premium. Designed for easier installs with our dealer partners, we've shaved 75 pounds from the previous model. That's 135 pounds lighter than the leading competitive option. We also improved something else. In our redesigned C8, we reduced the noise by nearly half. Ramvac C5 and C8 compressors help practices provide quiet, professional environments for their patients and staff.